For a reliable coating process, fixtures, frames and tools need to be cleaned regularly. In most cases, aggressive stripping chemicals are used, which are harmful to the operator's health. Furthermore, these chemicals often lack in decoating performance and laborious manual rework is necessary. Now, the world's first water-based decoater, ATRON DC, is available. Due to its water-based formulation, it guarantees highest operator safety. The use of aggressive stripping chemicals is not necessary anymore. ATRON DC has an impressive, strong decoating performance with very good material compatibility. The decoater has an impressive, very short cleaning time. Depending on the layer thickness, it is able to remove the coating in between 10 and 60 minutes. In case any residues are left, just rinse it off with water. Even very thick coating layers can be removed without manual rework or hours or days of soaking time. The decoater can be processed in all common maintenance cleaning machines from room temperature to 60 degrees centigrade, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. For example, in spray and air machines, as well as in dip tank and ultrasonic machines. All common coating types, such as acrylate and polyurethane-based coating materials, can be removed from pallets and tools. Even silicone-based coatings are possible.